Hello family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronke and today I'll be teaching you how to make turmeric oil at the comfort of your home. So guys, without wasting much of the time, if you're new to this channel, please encourage me to do more videos by liking this video and also subscribing to this channel. Okay, and if you've been on this channel, please don't thank you for sticking by. Also, we'll be needing turmeric spices, and you're just gonna peel your turmeric just like this. Then you just want to make sure that you're wearing a glove to avoid it staining your hands. After you've peeled it, you grate it just like I'm doing right now. You're gonna grate your turmeric spices. Okay, when you've done that, you pour your coconut oil into your pot. Okay, you pour it into your pot and you pour in your grated turmeric and give it a good stir on a low heat. Please give your turmeric a good stir on a low heat. Okay, stir it continuously, okay, to avoid it sticking down to the pot. And after you've done that for some minutes, then you pour it in a strainer and strain the oil. You can use a cheesecloth, you can use a strainer, whatever you have that is convenient for you. Strain out the oil like this. Strain it out. Okay, and your turmeric oil is ready. It's as simple as that. It's very easy. Okay, very easy. And the reason why I'm teaching how to make this oil is because I'll be teaching a recipe very soon that you will be needing turmeric oil. So that's why I'm teaching this. So you store it in your container like this. You store it in your container and you use it whenever you need to. Turmeric is really great on the skin, guys. It's really great. It's good for discoloration, it's great for hyperpigmentation, it's great for sunburn, it's great for dark spots, it's great for even treatment of hair dandruffs. Turmeric is very good. Turmeric is very good. It's good for a glowing. Turmeric oil can be used to premix your lotions, your scrub. You can use it in your soap. It's very good, very good for glowing skin, and it's good for the hair as well. Okay, so thank you for watching. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.